us today at our Broaster test kitchen. This is our VF-3 ventless fryer with the built-in Ansel, and it does not require a hood system. It will fry up to 3 pounds of product per batch. It has our built-in Smart Touch screen controller with programmable library of frying presets. Simply hit a button and the basket will automatically lower, and once that timer runs out, it will automatically come back up, and you just take the frying product straight out. So it's fully automatic. Great for entertaining venues like bars, bowling alleys, pool halls, small cafes, food trucks, and any place else that does not want to go through the expense of adding a hood system. Hey guys, today we are frying sides. So we're gonna start with some cheese curds. We have some egg rolls and we have some fried pickles. So let's get started. One thing I do want to touch on is that the fried pickles and the egg rolls were not in our presets that comes from the factory, so we programmed them in. We did the fried pickles at about 1 minute and 45 seconds since it's so thin, and the egg rolls are set at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. All right, we're going to take out our frying basket. We're going to load the egg rolls on there, just like that. We're going to select egg roll and hit start. All right guys, so our egg rolls are done. We're going to take it out. These are mini egg rolls. And next we are going to put in our cheese curds. Going to find our presets. And we're going to hit start. Those will go in for about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. All right guys, so our cheese curds are done. Once again, the handle is cool to the touch. Well, it's not cool, but it's warm, but it's not hot, so perfectly fried cheese curds. All right, and then next we are gonna do our fried pickles. We'll put it in the basket. We'll put it into our lowering basket. Find our presets. Fried pickles and hit start. It'll be in there for about 1 minute and 45 seconds. All right guys, so our fried pickles are done. I'm gonna take it out. And perfectly fried pickles. All right guys, so we got fried cheese curds, fried egg rolls, and fried dill pickles. And you can serve them with your assortment of fries. You can add bacon bits on top. I mean, it's really what you want to bring out to your customers, but you can be very, very creative.